Cooler Master's MasterCase SL600M is a standout product in the competitive world of PC cases, offering a combination of excellent build quality, effective airflow, and a design that stands out from the crowd. This ATX chassis, priced at $199, is a great choice for those building high-performance systems that demand both form and function. The most striking feature of the SL600M is its construction. Nearly every part of the case is made from durable metal, giving it a solid, premium feel. Unlike many cases that use a mix of materials, Cooler Master has kept things simple and robust here, with high-quality metal panels ensuring long-term durability. This is important for users who plan to upgrade or modify their rigs over time, as the case can easily withstand wear and tear. When it comes to airflow, the SL600M excels. The case is designed with vertical airflow in mind, featuring large 200mm fans that push a lot of air, keeping components cool even during intensive use. The airflow design is particularly useful for advanced PC builds, as it allows for better heat dissipation. However, it's worth noting that the case does not include a rear exhaust fan, which could be a deal breaker for some users. While the front USB ports are equipped with a motion sensor that lights up when approached, adding a futuristic touch to the build, the case still requires a bit of extra attention in certain areas. The interior of the SL600M is optimized for visibility, making it a great option for those who want to showcase their components through tempered glass. The layout is thoughtfully designed for comfortable building and upgrading, with enough room to accommodate high-end GPUs and multiple storage devices. However, the rear storage mount can be a bit tricky to work with, especially when running cables, and some storage mounts are placed in awkward locations. Additionally, if you want to mount your GPU vertically, it's possible but requires purchasing a separate riser cable, which adds extra cost. Overall, the Cooler Master MasterCase SL600M is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a case that combines a sturdy, premium build with fantastic airflow and a clean design. Its versatility and intelligent design choices make it stand out in a crowded market, and while there are a few minor drawbacks, they don't overshadow the many strengths this case offers. Whether you're an enthusiast or a casual builder, the SL600M is a solid choice for your next PC build.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.